Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I lost today and last today. I lost around $1,500 combined. It's been a bad week for me right now. I think I'm one break even and two losses. I do not exactly know. I'm again at 50,000 exactly on my evaluation, so not good. I would say, yeah, we'll show you both trades. First, let's start with yesterday. I couldn't stream, I couldn't record a video yesterday, so I would say let's start with that. Start with the higher time frame on yesterday's trade. To be honest, price was quite choppy, but I must say I was looking a bit bullish since we created, because price yesterday went, or the day before, let's say, it got a big move, then it started dropping around the whole day. But since there was this swing high I wanted price to trade into, and if we come on the hourly time frame, we can see that price respected this hourly gap. I was thinking to take longs, so I was bullish. I marked out this hourly gap where I wanted to see continuation towards the swing high I marked out. And on the other time frames, like the 50-minute, there was nothing too crazy I wanted to see. So basically when I waited for market to open, I just want to see it move lower than higher. If we open the chart, we can see that nothing too crazy happens. There was, yeah, maybe if we click right to it, spam it, spam, we can see here, yeah, exactly, it opened insanely lower. The hourly gap got no reaction, I don't know why. So since I was bullish in the beginning, I changed my bias after seeing this incredible drop and no reaction. I think, yeah, here was a 5-minute gap. I wanted to see some shorts, but eventually price never got it. I mean, here was one, but I think the 5-minute, yeah, but I did not take this inversion because it was 3 minutes before a higher time frame gap opening. So I was expecting a resweep of the swing high and then to move lower. So I faded this trade, and here I was extremely bearish. But now you can see that price started moving higher and it started inversing bearish gaps. So I started changing again my bias until I got a 5-minute continuation here. If we come here, you can see that price was very choppy. There was no entry for me, so I waited and I saw this 1-minute inversion, but I was confident not to take it because of the whole choppiness. And exactly, if we wait another candle, yes, perfect. I waited for another resweep and then I got this inversion. Here I saw this inversion and I wanted to target a 1-to-1 with my stop loss at the body of the inversion, and yeah, or maybe I think I got even down here. I took, exactly, now I remember, I took the whole leg and wanted a 1-to-1. Because why did I take this trade? Because if we come on the 30-minute, we can see that here was a 30-minute unmitigated gap, and since we were extremely bullish, there was a rejection. I was really confident about this trade. I wanted to go break even here and then let the trade run out. After a bit, we can see that price started inversing, taking out my stop loss and then going straight to my take profit. Yeah, I lost here around $700. It was not too good, but yeah, it happens. I mean, the trade was not bad. And yeah, I really have not much to say about this trade. In my opinion, it was good. It was with the higher time frame. There was a lot of low resistance liquidity and this 30-minute gap. So this trade was good, but now I would say let's get to the other trade that was not so good. On the second trade, let's start again with the higher time frame, and we can clearly see that we are extremely bullish. Price has been creating strong bullish candles, respecting bullish gaps and disrespecting bearish ones, and we can clearly see that the target was higher. So if we come on the 2-minute, we can see that there was CPI, I think, or news, and it respected this 2-hour gap. So I was looking even more bullish. I must say what I did not like is this huge news candle that and I know news candles are strong reasons for price to move lower, but since we are so bullish, I was thinking that price will not go all the way down here and then continue the trend. If we come on the 50-minute, we can see that there was this gap here, and I would just wanted to see price open lower, hit this gap, and then continue the trend. Or maybe if we were really really lucky, a sweep of the high and then an inversion, but I was looking more for longs than shorts, to be honest. So if we come on the 1 minute, this is the chart right now. You can see this insane candle. I'm quite sure this is CPI. And yeah, if we click right to the first candle, we can see a 1 minute inversion. Oh, sweep with inversion, and there was no inversion of a gap now. I wanted to see this gap get inversed, but sadly the next candle basically took out everything. So my 30 PDI model did not play out today, and I just waited here. I was strongly bullish, and if we come on the 1 minute, I was still bullish here. I don't know why, and here because of work I couldn't be fully locked in, and so I thought we were inside a 15-minute gap, but I did not see that we just inverse this one. So yeah, I waited for 5 minutes, exactly this 5 minute here, to get inversed, and I thought we were inside a 15-minute, took this stupid inversion of the 5 minute, and basically when I entered here, I entered with around $800, and my take profit would be this high here, but sadly not even one tick in profit, and I just lost. I mean, this was completely my fault. As I said, I thought we were inside the 15-minute, but clearly we were not. Yeah, there's not much to say. Stupid trade. I lost around $1,500 and with today and yesterday, but it's okay. Sometimes a bad streak can happen. I would say let's keep working. Let's see if price opens up, if it gets a little better, because like this I cannot see anything good right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I clearly did not with the money I lost, but it's okay. I hope tomorrow to bring out another video, maybe where I get the win again. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. I will answer as soon as possible. And as always, God bless. See ya. Bye bye.